by virtue of the power vested in me as the Regional Governor of Central Dynamic Region, the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, presiding officer on behalf of our National President Ronald F. De Los Santos of the Fraternal Order of Eagles, thus Philippine Eagles Incorporated, I hereby call this induction of 17 new applicants and the all-taking of the officers for Eagle Year 2025 to order.
Applicants, you shall now become bona fide Eagle members, also called Kuya or Ate. At this juncture, I shall charge you with your duties, responsibility, and obligation of being Eagle members. Please remember the essence of Eagleism. It is a state of relationship or building relationship. Eagle members must have primordially developed a deep sense of true brotherhood among every Eagle member. Why? We should develop a deep sense of true brotherhood because we have one objective, and this objective is to serve, anchored on our guiding principles, service through true brotherhood. We have a commitment to our community, to our country, and to our fellow Eagles. Therefore, you must respect and support each other as brothers in this fraternity, the Philippine Eagles. Obey the Philippine Eagles Constitution at any given times. Love God with all your hearts. Develop and exercise the spirit of Alalaya Aguila. Show good example in your community because we are law-abiding citizens. Equip your family with all the aspects it needs: spiritual, physical, emotional, and financial. Attend general membership meeting in your club and participate in all activities of your club. Pay your financial obligation always in your club, including regional and national fees and assessment. Last but not the least, let us not forget, being an eagle, let us look our fellow Kuya and Ate and each other with the eyes of compassion rather than the eyes of condemnation. As their clear on applicant, yes, sir. On behalf of our Eagle National President of Fraternal Order of Eagles, Philippine Eagles Incorporated, Eagle Regional Governor Saldi Salitan, Authorized Inducting Officer, I humbly present it to you the 5 additional members of Riyadh Santigan Dynamic Eagles Club, 5 additional members of Riyadh Lakandula Dynamic Eagles Club, 4 additional members of Riyadh Kapilan Dynamic Eagles Club, 1 additional member of Riyadh Maharlika Dynamic Eagles Club, 1 additional member of Riyadh Dynamic Eagles Club, and 1 additional member of Central Lady Eagles Club. After having undergone and completed their mandatory orientation seminar, Orients, given by the Philippine Eagles Institute of Leadership, conducted in January 2025 at Inca Eye Specialist Hospital, Theater Hall, for and on behalf of the Philippine Eagles Institute of Leadership, under the leadership of Executive Field Director, I am now highly recommending to you these applicants of Central Dynamic Region, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, and they are now ready for induction. We call on the inducting officer, the regional governor, Governor Saldi Salvita.
All rise. Okay, to all applicants, please raise your right hand and repeat after me. I state your name, having consciously and freely applied to be a member of Stature Club, a Julie Club affiliated with the Fraternal Order of Eagles, thus Philippine Eagles Incorporated, subscribing to its Eagles Constitution and believing in its capabilities as a self-reliant First Philippine-born socio-civic organization, do hereby solemnly make an oath that I shall defend and uphold at all times the said Constitution as well as all laws, rules and regulations duly promulgated by the Philippine Eagles. And I shall consciously uphold at all times the Eagles Delicadeza and the moral code of ethics as the ultimate measure of my conduct and judgment relative to my dealings with the Philippine Eagles, my region, club, and my fellow Eagles. So help me God. Congratulations. Mga kuya at mga ate, let's welcome our new mga kuya at ate. Please come to them and shake them.
At this point, we would like to congratulate all our new Kuya and Ate. So that this time we will speed and handshake.
May the power be seated upon me as the General Director. May I call on the Regional Governor to induct the newly elected officers of the clubs and the region.
Okay, itaas po natin ang ating having duly elected and appointed to the position of Stature Club, Stature Region, a club and region duly affiliated with the Fraternal Order of Eagles, as Philippine Eagles Incorporated, subscribing to its Eagles Constitution and believing in its capabilities as a self-reliant First Philippine-born fraternal social civic organization, do hereby solemnly make an oath that I shall defend and uphold at all times the said Constitution, as well as all laws, rules and regulations duly promulgated by the Philippine Eagles, and I shall consciously uphold at all times the Eagles' delicadeza and moral code ethics as the ultimate measure of my conduct and judgment relative to my dealings with the Philippine Eagles, my region, my club, and with my fellow Eagle. So help me God. So congratulations, mga Eagle. Okay, everyone dynamic Eagles Club. Please raise your right hand and repeat after me. I, Eagle, state your name. Having duly elected to the position of, state your position, state your club,